We'll guide you through how to fix Android Auto keeps disconnecting. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a frustrating problem because you're trying to go and navigate somewhere or you're trying to do something with Android Auto and it keeps disconnecting. So we're going to guide you through how you can try fixing this. Make sure you watch the entire guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may get and miss an important part of this guide. So what you want to do is go and swipe up. You want to go and find the option for settings and tap there. Then what you need to do is come and find connected devices and you can tap there. Come down here and find the option for Android Auto. Then you can go and press vehicles. Go to the top right and press the three dots and you can press forget all vehicles. Press OK. Now what you want to do is come back here and press back again, press back again. You want to go and scroll down and find the option for apps. Wait for this to go and load and come down and find Android Auto and tap there. Then what you need to do is come down and you want to go and find storage and press clear cache in the bottom right and you can press clear data in the bottom left and press delete. Then what you can do is come back here and you can go and press the three dots in the top right. We'll just press uninstall updates, confirm the decision, go and wait. We'll come out of here, open the Play Store. You want to go and press search at the bottom and press search at the top. Now what we're going to do is go and type in Android Auto. Go and find it and you can tap on it and you can go and press update like so. Go and wait if this is complete. It shouldn't go and take too long. As you can see, it's about 20 megabytes, but it will depend upon your internet connection. It's now gone and finished. As you can see, it says uninstall. You can come out of it and you want to come back to your settings and then come back until you're just in settings and come to the top and find connected devices. And you can go down and find Android Auto. Then what you can do is you can go and press connect a vehicle like this. And instead of using wireless, try using a USB cable if you weren't already, just in case it was due to an unstable connection. You could try using wireless though, and hopefully now after doing the steps, it'll go and be working and it'll stay connected. Leave a like if you found this useful.